Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to customize the ribbon in WPS spreadsheet. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, you can open this WPS office first and click this WPS sheet quick start guide, and after that it will bring you into this section, which means the guideline to use this spreadsheet or this sheet. And as you can see on the home menu, until this toolbar can be called as the ribbon, and you can also make it more spacious by, let's say, hide it like this. So there will be the drop down or drop up, and if you click this drop down, it will show you the detail or the tool that contains in this home ribbon. And let's say if you hide it, so this home will give you the tools and it will show only temporary like this. And you can also add the specific, let's say, the menu or tool. Let's say it will be located between this home and insert. So how to create that ribbon or that menu? So you can start to click this menu or file or this three stripe on the top left corner and click option, and after that you'll see the options and go to this customize the ribbon. And here, this is the customize ribbon that you can use. On the popular command, you'll see this is the tool that usually use, let's say, for the printing or export it into the PDF, undo, redo. And after that, on the main tabs, it usually use or shown in the ribbon, such as the home, insert, until the tools, if you remember. And let's say I want to create another ribbon between this home and insert, so you can start to click this one, and after that you can click this new tab like this. And for example, if you would like to rename it, so you can select this tab and click rename. For example, I will type oftenly like this and click OK. And this is the new group. And if you would like to add the group over here, so you can click this and it will be added in this category of the oftenly ribbon. And in this group, I want to add the several command or the tool. For example, the new file, click add, and it will be added in this new group. And you can also customize this new group, don't worry. Select it and click rename. For example, the study purposes maybe, and this one for the working purposes, for example. And for example, I want to add the specific tools for this working, so I will choose the, let's say, auto sum and click add, and it will be added over here. And if you have already put the several command or tools over here, so you can start to click OK, and you'll see this ribbon named oftenly has already added into this section. And this is the new file for the study purposes, and this will be the auto sum for the working purposes. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this tutorial, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.